In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Watchlist in TradingView. Whether you're on the web version or the desktop app, this process is quick and helps you keep your favorite markets just a click away. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the Watchlist panel, create or open a list, and add the symbols you care about. First, look to the right side of your TradingView screen for the Watchlist panel. It usually appears as a vertical column showing symbols and prices. At the very top of that panel, you'll see the name of the current watch list. Go ahead and click that name. This opens a drop-down menu where you can manage your lists. In the drop-down, you'll see options like Open List and Create New Watch List. If you already have a list saved and just want to switch to it, choose Open List and select the one you want. If you're starting fresh, choose Create New Watch List. You'll be prompted to give your new watch list a name. Pick something clear and memorable so you'll recognize it later, maybe based on the market, your strategy, or the time frame you're trading. Once you've entered the name, save it. You now have a dedicated place to organize the symbols you plan to track. Next, let's add symbols to your watch list. At the top of the watch list panel, click the plus icon. This opens a search box where you can type the name or ticker of the asset you want to follow. You can enter a company name like Apple or a ticker such as AAPL. For crypto and Forex, you might type BTCUSD or EURUSD. As you type, you'll see a list of matching results. If multiple markets appear for the same symbol, choose the one that matches the exchange or pair you prefer. Then simply click the result, and it's added to your watch list instantly. Repeat this for each instrument you want to include. That's all there is to it. You've opened the Watchlist panel, created or selected the right list, named it clearly, and added your symbols using the plus button and search. Keep your list focused on what you actually trade or monitor regularly. This helps you stay organized and makes scanning the markets faster. If you ever need to refine it, you can come back to the same area at the top of the panel to manage your lists and keep things tidy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined TradingView workflow.